Hi everyone, I am Jack and welcome to Miracamp. Over the years, we've trained hundreds of creative individuals, helping them unlock their potential and transform their passions into careers in record time. This time, I'm thrilled to introduce you to our social media management course, designed to take you from a beginner to a skilled social media strategist in just 30 days. Now, let's be clear, we're not your typical online course. We're an online school, and that means you won't just watch a bunch of pre-recorded videos. You'll work with passionate mentors who will answer all of your questions, feedback on every exercise you complete. You'll learn from real-world professionals like me who've grown successful accounts across platforms and collaborated with top-tier brands. Our expertise goes beyond theory. It's built on years of hands-on experience in crafting strategies, creating content, and building engaged online communities. We've trained social media managers from a wide range of industries, including e-commerce, businesses, NGOs, universities, restaurant chains, and even leading fintech and education unicorns. What makes our course unique? It's all about tailored coaching. Every strategy you learn will be adopted to your specific goals. Whether you're building a personal brand, managing accounts for clients, or promoting your own business, we'll ensure your efforts are focused on what matters most. And this isn't just theory, it's hands-on. You'll develop a customized social media strategy tailored to your niche, an optimized content calendar designed to engage your audience, real posts, stories, and videos for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, or Facebook. And we'll guide you step by step through everything from understanding your audience to creating high quality content using accessible tools like Canva, CapCut, and more. You'll master not only the art of storytelling, but also the science behind social media algorithms and analytics. You'll learn how to design visually stunning posts that grab attention, analyze your metrics to measure success and refine your strategy, and leverage AI tools to streamline your content creation and boost productivity. By the end of the course, you'll have a clear social media roadmap, actionable strategies, and the confidence to run and grow accounts like a pro. I will also be sharing my personal journey, how I grew from scratch to managing accounts with thousands of followers, the lessons I learned, and how I built successful campaigns for brands like Bose, Pandora, and others. This course isn't just about helping you start on social media, it's about equipping you to excel. Whether you're here to build a career, manage your brand, or simply learn a skill in high demand, this is your chance to make it happen. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below to join the course and take the first step toward mastering social media management today.